Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best Hunty zombie codes in 2025. These are working in September, and these are by far the best codes, allowing you to get free coins. You can get free rolls, tons of stuff, guys. There's a few different things. You can get lucky spins and stuff as well, like re-rolls. So this video is going to be showing you the best Hunty zombie codes. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more awesome Roblox game tutorials, and let's get into the video. Let's not waste any more time, and I'm going to be showing you how to get the best codes for Hunty zombies at Roblox. So as you can see, guys, I've got my mobile phone. I've opened up the internet browser, so make sure you do this on your mobile and just head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. Make sure you can actually type, guys. Very important you type it correctly to go to Cold Coupons. Now, like I said, guys, these have codes for loads of different Roblox games. They have codes for loads of other things as well, and games and apps. You need to search using the search bar for the Hunty zombie codes. So I'm just going to type that in there. And here we go, Hunty Zombies Roblox. So just navigate your way to this page. As you can see, thousands of people have used these codes. These are the most popular codes in 2025. So scroll down. You can get a Hunty Zombies code for 1 million free coins. You can get 100 lucky spins and 1,000 trait rerolls. So all you have to do, guys, is choose which code you want. In this example, I'm going to choose the 1 million coins code. This confirms your choice. You can see how popular the code is, and you've got to click on show full code. This is the easiest and by far the best selection of codes for Hunty zombies, so highly recommend you just follow through these steps. And you need to unlock your personal Hunty Zombies code. Now, the reason you need to do this, guys, is as you can see, these are limited codes. So this prevents people from stealing them, and it allows only one code per person. So what you're going to want to do is to unlock your code, click on this button. And you need to follow the instructions on this screen. It says complete 2 of the 3 tasks below to unlock your code. Follow the instructions below each app. So you're going to have a list of tasks here that are usually mobile applications, but they can also be things like free surveys. They're all completely free, and this allows Cold Coupons to supply these codes. So as you can see, guys, TikTok, this one is obviously an app. It says install the app, open it, and run it for 30 seconds. So simple, you would click on it, and it will take you to the App Store, where you basically have to download TikTok and open it up for 30 seconds. If you already have TikTok, make sure you choose another one. These have to be the first time you're doing the tasks. So if you've already got TikTok, you've probably already done that one. So just complete 2 tasks. And if you do that, I'm just going to skip forward. But if you do that, your code will be unlocked in this box here, and you can redeem it in Hunty Zombies. And that is, in this case, going to supply you with free coins, 1 million of them. But you can also get free lucky spins and trait rerolls as well. So these are the best Hunty zombie codes in 2025. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section which code you chose, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.